In this video, I'll show you how to reset your keyboard to default settings on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. By default, Samsung devices use the Samsung keyboard. If you've customized your keyboard and want to go back to the original settings, this quick guide will help you do that. Also, if you want to customize your keyboard layout, I've already made a separate video on that. Check it out using the link in the description or the card on your screen. Reset Samsung keyboard to default settings. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Make sure that Samsung Keyboard is set as your default keyboard. Now scroll all the way down until you see Reset to Default Settings. Tap on it. Here, you'll find a few options like Reset Keyboard Settings, Erase Personalized Predictions, Clear Cache, etc. To completely reset your keyboard, tap on Reset Keyboard Settings. You can see the pop-up to reset keyboard settings. Download languages won't be deleted even you reset it. Tap on Reset. And that's it! Your Samsung keyboard will now be restored to its default settings. This method works on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series and other latest Samsung devices as well.